how to send location on WhatsApp. First, open the Google Play Store app. Search for WhatsApp in the search bar. Click on WhatsApp Messenger and check for updates. If any updates are available, then update your WhatsApp. Now close this page and make sure your location services are on. Open your WhatsApp app and select the conversation you want to share your location with. Click on this little icon and then tap on Location from the menu. You can send your current location by clicking on Send your current location, or you can select any nearby place around you from the list. Tap on Send your current location. As you can see, my current location is sent to the conversation. If someone clicks on it, they can see your current location. Now, to share your live location, go back to the conversation. Click on this little icon, tap on Location, and then select Share Live Location. Click on Continue. Select the time duration for which you want to share your live location. You can also add any comments by clicking on Add Comment. Once all done, click on Send option. To stop sharing your location, click on Stop Sharing and then click on Stop. That's it for this video. If this video was helpful to you, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.